Hello guys, this is Ahmed Al Najjar again. Today I'm gonna show you a good hack that people don't know about it. Usually what we do, this is my favorite conditioner. It's natural organic, so it's from Uno Premier. Usually people, what they do, see, when it's finished, they usually throw it, right? Actually, this is wrong. I will show you some new hack where you will be shocked. So this is the hack I told you about. If you realize, you see, there is a conditioner here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna put some water. Okay. Close it. Shake it very well. See, you can still use it. So you don't need to keep on buying new one every time while there is existing. If it's dry from the hot or from the weather, usually in summer, so you can refill with a little bit water and you can reuse it. This is how I do it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel below so you can get the new hacks for the new things that I have learned. I usually do it with the shampoo as well, so you can do it with the conditioner. Okay, thank you for watching.